sorts I am going to explain the questions that are going to be very important for NEET exam, for competitive exam like engineering and medical. So one by one I will explain all the questions that are going to be asked in the exam, or that is important for the exam. So here you, in this connected body, first is the motion of a connected body, you have to find tension and you have to find acceleration. So in this case, first you need to know the direction of motion. Suppose we assume here, we have to assume that m1 is greater than m2. If it is not given, then you understand that if it is not given, then you can assume m1 is greater than m2, or normally in the question is given what is m1 and what is m2. Now you have to draw, this is a string, common string is running through a pulley, so there is a tension, that is upward direction, there is a force of gravity, that is downward direction, and we will assume, make the equation. Suppose we have assumed that m1 is greater than m2, so this will body move above, this will move down. So this is T minus m2g is equal to m2 into a. This is m1g minus T is equal to m1 into a. Now we will cancel it. So m1 minus m2 g is equal to m1 plus m2 a. So the acceleration will be m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2. This is a very important information. That is the acceleration, and using the value of acceleration you can find tension. T is equal to m2a plus m2g. Put the value of a, you will get the value of acceleration. This way you can find the value of acceleration. This is m1 minus m2 g divided by m1 plus m2, and then this is the m2g. So using this equation you can find the value of tension.